Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore the important topic of handling outliers and anomalies in data. So let's jump right in. Outliers are data points that deviate significantly from the majority of the data. So let's use the data set to understand how we can identify outlier using pandas. So our data set is this, and if you see here, we have one anomaly that age is exceeding normal range. So we have one age which is 120. So let me first run the data frame. So this is the data frame, created the data frame. Now we will identify using this data set, we will identify the outlier using the box plot. If I will run this one, so if you can see, it is clearly showing that all of the data is lying under the 40 and there is only one data point which is at the 120. So now we have, since we have identified the outlier, so if in order to handle them, one approach is to remove the outliers from the data set. So how we can remove it? So I have created one variable here which I am telling that it should be 100. I'm assigning the value 100, and here I am telling that I will take only in age column I will take only the age which are less than the threshold. So if I will run this one, so if you can see, I have taken only those records which are less than 100, which are the threshold. So that is how we can that is the one way to handle the outliers. Now moving to the another way is to handle the anomaly. I mean the correcting anomaly. So here, if I will take here, so df dot. So I have I'm calling this df loc 100 age, and I'm assigning the median age to this column. I mean this value, you can say. So if I will run this only df or dot loc df age is greater than 100, I will have only this record. 120 record 120. So here I am assigning this value, the median age, to this value. And if I will run this, so if you can see here in my data set, in my data frame, the William age is now showing at 35. So I hope in this exam, I hope you like the video. So handling outliers and anomalies is crucial in data analysis. By identifying and appropriately addressing these issues using pandas, we can ensure the quality and reliability of our analysis. So that's all for today's episode of the 3 Minute Panda series. Stay tuned for more exciting topics. Happy coding.